Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And once you see it, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings you should see the option called display. Once you see it, select it, then tap on brightness. And if you want to change the screen brightness manually, you will need to disable the auto brightness by tapping on the switch. And after you disable it, you can tap on custom. It will bring you here and you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. You can also use the crown, basically by rotating it to adjust the brightness. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.